Hello, and this is Jim from TechBuzz, and today we're going to have a quick unboxing of the VR One Plus headset from ZEISS. And for those who are familiar with ZEISS, they are on Nokia camera phones and so on. And the latest Nokia 8, for example, which we are using here, has ZEISS optics. So most people that use Nokia smartphones will be familiar with this company. Now they have a VR headset, which we're going to check out today. And on the packet will tell us you've a mobile virtual reality headset featuring superior optics for 4.75 by 5.5 inch smartphones, video games, 360 videos, and more VR apps are available on the Google App Store. And it'll tell us what's inside. We get a universal tray, the headset itself, a strap, paper cube, and manual. And there's two apps there. We've just downloaded there for the moment. And you've ZEISS One Cinema and VR1 AR. So augmented reality is also featured on this. And we've got razor sharp images across the visual field. Large ZEISS lens supports most pupil distances and ease of use to keep your eyeglasses on. And that's pretty much it there. And let's take a look. So that's what the box looks like there. It's a nicely presented package. So if we take it out, we are presented with the headset itself. And do we get anything else? Just pop this out of the way. So we get our booklet here and our little cube for the augmented reality. So we need to build this up. It seems to be a bit on the trashed side, probably due to shipping or something like that. But we'll try and square it up as best we can. So this is your cube fixed up and the booklet itself. So quick look inside just gives a demo of how the headset works. If you've got your tray, your paper cube for the VR1 AR app, and you'll slide your phone in, and you align your phone as you would typically with most of these headsets. And you can also put your earphones in if you've no Bluetooth. And we've adjustable straps, and it'll give us a list of other apps there, which we've showed you earlier. We have them installed. There is quite a few apps there actually on the store. You can check them out. And of course you can remove this front shield for cleaning as well, which is pretty handy. So that's pretty much it in the magazine. And here is the headset itself. So it looks nice. It's nice to see a different headset away from, there's too many generics out there, which a lot of brands would use. It's good to see these take their own, instead of seeing, we've done quite a few of them here, and they're all generic but just different rebrands on them and so on. So here is the strap here, which as you can see is Velcro and has ZEISS on it and again on this side here. Up on top then is the same again, so you have straps to adjust to your own needs, and again here at the back. So pretty cool indeed. And if we take a look inside, we can see the eyelets there, and you can see there's breathing space here, top and bottom, so that'll kind of help with the fog issues a lot of people will have with their VR headsets. And you can see here that's nicely cushioned. It's really soft, which is quite nice. And onto the front then, we can see our slots here for a phone. So you'll pop your phone in and it'll lock into place like so. And as you can see, there's gaps either side then. So it'll slide back in like that. So whatever side your headphones on, you'd be able to access it. So that's pretty cool and well thought out, and pretty nice indeed. It looks quite cool as well. And it's a nice solid plastic material, and here again is a softer rubber material underneath here and around the nose there too. And as I said before, this is nice and soft here, which is ideal for particularly long terms of use. So that's pretty much it. Stay tuned. We'll have a review in a couple of days. And if you have any questions, give us a shout at techbuzzoran.com. We've done quite a lot of VR headsets here now, probably around 30 headsets we've done. And thanks to ZEISS for sending this over to us to check out. And we look forward to testing it out and seeing what it's like with their optics. And that's pretty much pretty cool. They have great lenses in their smartphones. With the Nokia phones, cameras have always been great. So I'd expect this will give us some good results back too. So any questions, as I said, techbuzzoran.com. Stay tuned for more tech videos coming soon. And product reviews, you've lots to come. And that's it for now. So that's the ZEISS VR1 Plus headset.